What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Tyler. This is the Sandworm. We actually just got it back from the dealership. Not sure what the title is, but I'm sure the title gives away what this video is. I'm going to be helping you guys out that, like me, changed your dome lights to LEDs and may have accidentally broke the function to turn them on and off to where your lens is kind of just loosely sitting in there. I actually took this to the dealership for warranty work because in my head it shouldn't have broke that easy. But this video is to help you not waste your time and prevent you wasting your time waiting on the dealership to, one, get your truck in to even look at it, two, fix the issue, or three, order a part they don't need to order. So, long story, I took my truck in last Thursday. They called me like, hey, we have a spot open. We have a loaner for you. Drop your truck off. It'll be about a week. I'm like, okay, that's fine, whatever. Go pick up the loaner. And I took it early Thursday. So Thursday, Friday, I don't think they're open Saturday. Definitely not open Sunday, but all day today, Monday. And so I called them. You know, it's kind of slow at work. It's a new year. So I took a minute, called them. I was like, hey, just checking to see the status of the truck, see if you guys got it in yet, to look at it, whatever. They haven't even moved my truck. I'm like, why did you guys tell me to bring my truck in if you're not even going to look at it for a whole nother week? Tell me to bring it in when you're going to look at it. So long story short, I told them, I was like, look, I'm not waiting. I was like, give me the truck back. I looked up some pages. I looked up the part number. I know what the parts are. I was like, I think I know the issue. Give me my truck back. I'll fix it rather than waiting on you guys to even get it into the shop to look at it after you call me telling me you have a spot open to look at it. So nothing against the dealership. It's just they're wasting my time. You know, truck's sitting there. They call me. I'd rather have my truck than the loaner. Like, hey, let me just drive my truck. When you guys are ready to actually work on it, I will bring it in. A lot of dealerships do that. I'm sure dealerships near wherever you guys are at do the same thing. But anyways, today we're going to be fixing that dome light ourselves. This, from what I was reading, this is kind of an issue with these trucks, is how easy these little buttons slide out of place in the dome light. So we're going to have to take the whole thing out, and the little button that I'm talking about should be just sitting inside that unit, the whole dome light unit, just sitting there. We take it, slide it back into place, push everything back, and the light should work. Simple as that. So we're going to see if this is a 5 to 10 minute fix versus leaving your truck at a dealership for a week. So we'll see. I haven't messed with it yet. I don't know what it looks like, but we're about to find out. Okay, so you guys can kind of see the dome lights right here. I turned them off so that the lights aren't on. But from everything I've seen, you should be able to just pop out this little OnStar section right here. Actually, I think you pop out the actual lenses first and go to the front, because the clip that holds the lenses on is in the back. So get the clips from the front, pop those out. And I bought some trim tools because some of you guys were making fun of me because I used the middle one. There we go. Okay, so we got those popped out, and then there's this white bezel in here. You can kind of see it right there. That is what the button is probably sitting on inside. That pretty much we broke off. So once I figure out how to, I've seen there's like one other video, and I'll put the link to this website I found. because this guy actually did a good job explaining this, and even gave the there's some clips in here. Not real sure where they're at, but I definitely want to find those clips so I don't break anything. I'm pretty sure you have to take out your OnStar buttons first, so we're gonna do that. And I heard that's pretty easy. It looks easy. Yep. Okay. Okay. So the OnStar button is easy to take out. And then there's some thumb clips in here. Okay, so this white piece was kind of difficult to pull out. It took a little bit of force. I don't know if it's supposed to take force to come out. It looks like, yeah, I don't know. But anyways, now we are going to take the plastic part off. And I've seen where you can take the whole thing out at once, but that didn't seem to work. So doing it step by step, and I'll link this article below where I found this. But yeah, now we're going to take the whole black plastic piece out because you can hear it. That's the button in there. So yeah, see, this is what irritates me. Is this would have taken the dealership 10 minutes to do this instead of me taking 20. That button right there is what turns the light on and off. This button is the one that's missing and back here. So that's what I'm trying to reach so I can put it back into place. Another irritating thing about me having to do this is I told the dealership, I said, hey, I don't think it's actually broke. I think the button fell out. Lo and behold, the button fell out. Right there, you can see it. So what happened is you push the lens in and you push it in at the wrong angle and it pushes the button out. So now, literally, the simple fix for this is you take the side with the 3 prongs right there and you slide that bad boy right back into place. And boom, fixed. Now the button works. So now we're going to put everything back together. It should be simple push, everything snaps back in, and we're done. And then I want to go ahead and show you guys, when you do these, just to avoid all this mess, is make sure you angle this prong kind of down so you don't accidentally do what I did. And obviously you don't want to go fishing for that button. So now my light works again. Look at that. Honestly, if I 100% knew what I was doing like I do now, that would have taken me 5 minutes. 10 minute stops. Now, both my lights work. So, I hope I saved you guys from taking your truck to the dealership and wasting your time like I did, because that was a very simple fix. Yeah, super simple. All fixed. Make sure you get a couple of these. I'll link these down in the description below. And also my little work light here. Super easy. Make sure you guys like and subscribe, and I hope this helps you out. If you think you broke your dome light installing these, you probably actually didn't. So see you guys in the next one.